Clear the path, we need to mark this section. 5 meters leveled, moving up.
Bring the next batch of pavers up. We need the tamper on this section now. Watch the railing posts on the right side. Next bench goes right here. Mark the holes.
We need more soil on walkway B.
We need that next bracket now. Drilling on the south side. Clear for the lift, watch the line.